Sticker Farm, and today we are brutally destroying a dead bird with our friend. Now let's hit the intro.
Okay, who wants to do it first?
Me. Wait, is it going? Step, step, step.
As you can see, we already have kind of destroyed it, but I wanted to make a video anyway. Well, let's
Let's keep plucking.
Okay.
Okay, let's keep plucking, Anna.
We gotta destroy it. Where's the slicing and dicing? Oh, there's feathers everywhere.
This was a girl.
No, it's not.
It's a girl.
A boy. Destroy the bird. This is the bird. You can't. Oops. This is. I'm gonna stab into it. This.
This is like.
Ew! Something just. Oh no.
Was it a bug? No, it's probably some organs or something.
Ew! It's.
Like your nose then. Oh, yuck.
Oh! I can't believe I'm doing
This is my knife.
Oh, gross.
Oh. Oh, it looks like strawberry jam. It looks like jam.
I'm sorry.
Let me try.
They must have hit the
Stab it.
arm or something.
Jack, you got blood on your finger, so I'll splash it afterwards.
The feather.
I'm just gonna stab it.
Do you want to like step on it?
No, don't.
No, this.
Oh, no. Do it. Let go. I'm not touching it.
Show the camera the dead bloody bird. The other side. That's not the good side.
Oh yeah, that isn't.
Right here. Back up. Right here. It's kind of hard to see, but it looks like strawberry jam.
That's not what you said at first. That's what Jane said.
Over here.
Oh, hey!
Move this way.
I'm trying.
That's a good spot though, right there.
We should have finished plucking it first. Little baby.
Oh.
It's a bean. We should put it. If we're having beans,
That's so gross.
put it in.
This one tastes a little funny.
I got it.
Ew.
You got it.
Here.
I'm gonna get it.
Right there.
Oh! Look at all these organs. I might dissect a bird again at our house. It's actually very fun. It's a bean.
Oops, it fell.
I know. Look what I just took out.
What is that?
A bunch of organs.
Is anybody's interested in dissecting?
No, that is absolutely. They're worms. Worms.
Here. I can't see it.
They are worms.
Whoa.
They're. Oh, this looks like liver. Oh yeah. Oh. There's the heart. Oh, I don't want to pick
It's
up.
not actually that easy
Is
to
this
see.
the breastplate?
We can eat it.
Oh, look, it has a little thingy on it.
I do.
I do.
I can't see it.
I know. That's because
Where is it?
It's a little.
What? Is it covered? Sorry, you guys couldn't see that. There it is.
More worms.
Also, sorry this video is kind of disgusting. It's for people that have iron stomachs and won't barf up what they had for your last meal. Honestly, I feel kind of nauseous right now.
Then stop looking.
But I can't help it because it's interesting. Real nice, Jane.
Thank you. But yeah, thanks.
Someone's going up the driveway.
Probably your dad.
Oh well. Alright, I think that thing is kind of severed. Thanks for watching how we brutally destroyed a bird.
A red light thing. What is that thing?
Say bye to the camera, ladies.
Bye.
What else do we have? Some lovely organs. Perfect. Whoa!
Some lovely organs. Nice for a hot summer day.
You just set the thing on the organ.
Ew.